6 hidden tips to make money with NFTs. Hello YouTube family, what's going on? Welcome to NFT Fanatic Space, where we explain, simplify, and analyze NFT-related topics using whiteboard animation. In this video, we will reveal 6 hidden tips and strategies that NFT investors use to make lots of money with NFT. NFTs, they're all over the internet right now, and everyone loves them. Creators and investors have accumulated astonishing sums of money that have dramatically transformed their lives. The $69.3 million sale of Beeple's NFT earlier this year shook the internet and transformed the way people thought about digital collectibles. For many people around the world, making money using NFTs has become a profitable industry. That is not to claim that you can become a billionaire overnight, but if you learn these 6 hidden tips while dealing with NFTs, your chances of success will improve significantly. Before we dive in, here's a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Number 6. Do your research on every NFT before you buy. When trying to generate money, it's critical to conduct thorough research on any NFT project you're considering investing. Here are some of the most important considerations to make when purchasing a digital token: the social standing of the creator, intellectual property, brand name, community, smart contract clauses, perks, term dates, and restrictions, previous ventures, failures, and successes. Number 5. Buy at floor price. If you're getting into a new project drop, it's usually a smart rule of thumb to attempt to get in at the floor level. The reason you want to buy at the floor price is since the floor price is almost always designed to be the lowest selling price. You have a higher chance of generating profit if you performed your research and got in on a decent NFT, presuming the floor price would ultimately climb gradually. But keep in mind that nothing is guaranteed. Number 4. Sell your NFT for a profit. Obviously, if you acquire an NFT with the intention of reselling it, you want to do it at a profit. You will be able to reap more dollars and hence more NFTs if you sell your tokens for a profit. When selling your NFTs for a profit, there are a few factors to bear in mind. Aside from the purchase price, you'll have to pay transaction fees to transact on the blockchain. For a single transaction, these costs might range from $0.1 to $100 or more. As a result, the fees may reduce your overall earnings. It might be tough to resell your NFT at the proper time, but at the end of the day, the decision is yours. Remember that if you opt to sell on a rise in value, you will always win. Number 3. Reinvest in your profit. Flipping. Reinvesting in your brand is one of the most beneficial things you can do for yourself and your community. In the NFT area, flipping is one of the quickest methods to make money. Buy low and sell high. Keep in mind that you don't necessarily have to sell your tokens for a huge profit when you're flipping them. That's simply not possible. Some NFTs keep their value better than others, and vice versa. So even if you make a modest profit, you're still in the green. Number 2. Collect NFTs with the intention of holding long-term. If you don't have at least a handful of these non-fungible assets in secure storage for the long term, you can't call yourself a real NFT collector or investor. The kind of NFTs you should invest in with the purpose of holding for a long term are typically the ones you performed the most research on. If the NFT you purchased is associated with a well-known company, you may choose to treat it as a collectible and keep it for a long time. Number 1. Get involved with the NFT community. If you want to make money with NFTs, you must actively participate in the community. Making the appropriate selection might be challenging if you don't understand the market. That is the most rewarding aspect of being a contributing member of your community. Similarly, if you have expertise in a field that might help the community, share it. Interacting with the community more frequently will lead to new ideas and friendships. Get used to getting your hands filthy, it's part of the game. That's it for this video. Hope you gained some new values. Watch our other videos related to NFTs. We hope you will learn a lot from them. Like and share this video to help others to learn as well. Support us by subscribing to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you never miss our latest videos. See you in the next video. Keep working hard until you achieve your dreams. Bye bye.